Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 BMW X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.